There are so many moments in life that are worth enjoying and celebrating, but nothing compares to finding someone that you want to live your life with.
There was a movie released the year you were born, where I feel like they summed it up very well. In it, they said, when you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with someone, you want the rest of your life to start today. You, Holly, you're my ultimate teammate in life. You're my very best friend. And I love you for those reasons and so many more.
That I am so lucky to have you, and I would say that I couldn't love you more, but I've lost count of the times I've thought that and been proven wrong. So instead let me say, nothing in this world is certain, but come what may, I will always be by your side.
Life is a long journey, and there will be bumps on that road. But remember that love is the strongest force of all. True love conquers everything.